I am finding a hard time starting this. Maybe because you're here, I'm always used to making videos on my own. But hi guys, hello. Meet my friends. We're making rice today.
Yeah. We are making biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Yeah. Okay. But not the authentic one. it's kind of a bachelor chicken biryani. Yeah.
Okay. Biryani is biryani.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, should we start with the ingredients?
Yeah, we should start.
Okay.
So I have picked all the spices.
Okay.
So these are the mixed spices.
Okay.
Have everything in it: cardamom, pepper, cloves, everything. Dried chili and ghee.
Okay, I don't know this.
Okay, this is the main ingredient for biryani.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is ghee.
Okay, this is ginger powder.
I know ginger powder.
Yeah.
We use it. It's ginger powder.
And this is garam masala.
I know this too.
This is turmeric powder.
I know this too.
This is chili powder.
This too. Yay. I know
And
most of
this
this.
is coriander powder.
I know this too.
And this is ginger powder.
Okay.
Yeah. More spices.
Okay.
We have pepper, mustard seeds. Like these all things we don't need. We only need this
Okay.
and these two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Is this fenugreek?
Yeah, that's fenugreek.
Ah.
Oh, sorry, it's knife. I don't know.
Okay.
Organized.
Thank you. So, I'm going to play your favorite song for you.
Gopika, what is our a good Indian song?
Any.
Sometimes Rajmouli.
No, I don't know now.
It's a South Indian
Okay.
and it's like a Brahmanda and
A big budget kind of epic movie.
Okay.
yeah, he's best.
Okay.
If you like Jawan, you just watch the movie Raja Rani.
Okay.
It's another language, but it's from the same director.
Okay.
And it's the best one.
Okay. Thanks for the recommendation.
Okay.
So FM is helping out. Thank you. You're doing a great job. A to kana kokari mana so da kaga yan mata kyawawa. Yes, so like I said, I am introducing you to Maggie. Yeah, so you should use it.
Are they serious in the class? In terms of academically, are they serious in class with their classes?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Okay, many people want to be serious, but the ones in history are the worst set of guys. There was one Pakistani guy. Mohammed, I thought that we had ever seen in my life. Mohammed doesn't even know his password. He doesn't even know how to use the canvas. Mohammed doesn't even know
today
it.
that I figured his password for him.
Password and username. Yeah.
Today.
Do you know
2
Mohammed?
months.
Do you know that
After
Mohammed
coming
wanted to
here.
use my assignment? Mohammed asked me to share my assignment with him.
Assignments all the time. We need to learn.
Yeah.
This is the ghee rice.
The ghee rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
this is the chicken curry. Yeah, and we have salad. Salad. Yeah.
show like
You just try.
yeah, it's a show that they cook.
And tell
Yeah,
the
so-
honest answer.
Yeah, yes. So
So sit down and
this popular saying that the first bite now you get down.
You
okay.
mix it with the curry.
Okay,
Yeah.
and a little.
You take the piece of a chicken. Yeah. Okay. Take some more rice. Yeah. And with the salad. Yeah. Eat. How's it?
Wow. Let me try the cheese.
Really?
Yeah. It's time. This is good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, are you ready, Asma?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Haja Asmau.
Thank you so much for this meal.
Oh,
It's
no mention.
looking delicious.
Thank
I've
you.
not tasted it, but I know it's going to bang. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Too much spicy.
So,
Okay.
You take the rice first
Right.
and take some curry
okay.
with some chicken.
Okay.
Okay, then you mix it with the hand.
Okay.
Yeah, and you have it.
There's another dish at home in India.
Yeah, you can. Not a daily. Daily.
How's it?
This is amazing.
Really?
One of the best I've had, honestly. This is amazing. Oh my god.
The rice is different.
Can we make this every day? Lovely. It's tasty. And I love the fact that I'm using my hands.
So this is India. I live India in the UK.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for the meal. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you for inviting us.
Okay.
Ephraim. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.